Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome to my BBL surgery vlog. Pretty much I will be coming to you throughout the video. It's broken up into two parts because I couldn't put all of it into one part. So most of the footage at the beginning of this, I was sleepy. I had just filmed my get ready with me while I'm getting my body done video. And now I am post work and headed to the airport. So all of this footage that you're about to see right now is me half asleep, and I left my freaking tripod. So YouTube, pretty much I am waiting on my flight to Miami. I look ratchet. And yeah, I'm stupid and left my tripod pretty much in, where did I leave it? In my passenger seat of my car. So I know that when I get there, we're going to like Wally World and stuff. So I'm gonna have to buy like a selfie stick or something from Wally World. Otherwise, like this vlogging process is just gonna be trash. So I'll talk to y'all later. So I finally made it to Miami. I'm just waiting in the airport. My cousin is coming and she is getting our rental car. So we're just waiting for her to arrive. I think it's like 10 something and her flight doesn't land until like 1 something. So I finally made it back to, well, not back, but I finally made it to Miami. I told y'all I don't have my tripod. I don't have steady hands. So like all of this is gonna be quick until I get my tripod, because other than that, the like footage is gonna be like shaky because I don't have good nerves. My hands not steady. I can never be a neurosurgeon or a surgeon or anything like that that requires steady hands. I barely can put my lashes on. But my mom's here, and we're just waiting because my cousin's gonna get the rental car for us, and then we're going to go to New Life for pre-op, Wally World, and to our Airbnb. I'm here at the clinic, New Life Plastic Surgery. Here we go. My mom was waiting for me. I walked a long way. So,
let me hear you. What you drinking?
Water. I got a large water from them. I was dehydrated. I told you my throat was hurting.
Yeah.
So
that's a lot of stuff, ain't it?
we at the Airbnb. And y'all, I'm tired. It's been a long day. First of all, my flight was at 5 in the morning. I got there around like 3 something 4. Landed, I met up with my cousin, her husband, and her child. And then from there was New Life. So I was at New Life from 1:40-ish, 1:50-ish, all the way to like 4 o'clock. I went down at New Life, but I'll probably tell y'all all that in a separate video. So long story short of what happened at freaking New Life. So you guys, I get to New Life straight from my flight. I ain't even ate no food. When I left the house, I was like, like 199 pounds or whatever. Get to New Life, step on their scales, and the lady tells me that I'm like a whole like 5-6 pounds more than what I was when I was at home. Now I haven't eaten, so there's no way I could have gained like 5-6 pounds from the flight. Well, I will tell you this, I'm not the only one who has said this, that when they got on the scale at New Life, that the scale was like pounds over what they actually weighed themselves as. People who weighed themselves at like the store right before coming in said that it was different by like 3 or 4 pounds or so. So I'm not the only one who said this, that the New Life scale is off, and the lady didn't care. Also, she was off with my height because I'm 5'3.5", and she just put me as 5'3". So my BMI was over the requirement, which you are required to be at 34. She clocked me at a 36 based on the height and measurement that she recorded. So I know in my getting ready with me video, I said I went to Dr. Harry. I was going with Dr. Harry. That is true. I was scheduled with Dr. Harry, but I got switched to Dr. Oliver Simmons. As for right now, I had soup from Chili's.
Touch your nose.
I haven't even eaten in a long time. I've been juicing, so
Use your eye.
trying to like replenish some type of like nutrition in my life before I have surgery tomorrow, and then a large cup of water. But we are gonna go to Wally World and get groceries and stuff. So is that I should give y'all a mansion tour of our Miami mansion. Also, you can't wear a wig for surgery, so all of this is gonna come out, and I have to do my real hair. But I'm gonna wait till I know what's happening with this whole Walmart move before I do that.
Nope.
I will show y'all everybody in the background.
It doesn't matter. You're not getting it.
That's a lot happening.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. We have
Hey, got them. Who got those?
disposable bed pads. I don't know if this is 1 or 2 shower curtains, but shower curtains.
2. Oh,
2 shower curtains, so we got that. We got
Chuck underpants.
underwears.
No, baby.
Oh.
Chuck's pads. More underpads. I got
A lot of underpads. 2 more things of it. We got lots of stuff.
I don't think I'm sharing these with you.
Vinyl gloves. My mom got me
Mesh
this
panties.
urinal. It actually catches stuff for you. You really like don't have to get up. But she said it's meant for you to lay down and it catch you. But I don't even know if they can hear me because I feel like I'm far away and I don't want to project because then everybody gonna be like, why you loud? But I'm not big enough to have a mic yet. But when I do get a mic, you'll know something.
I got some more now.
We got some trash bags, lemon scent. Some.
Badussy smell.
Hey, I'm trying not to get demonetized. We got some popcorn. I don't know why that's in here. Clearly, that's just for my mama. Why are you whispering like, y'all hear that? Then we have antibacterial bathing cloths. They only have 8 a piece, so she got like a lot. Some more. Stay dry disposable wipes. Oh, Lord. Lord. Sandy wipes. I don't even know what this is. I don't even know.
Mesh panties.
Mesh panties. I didn't know that was something you needed, but
You
mesh
don't have a
panties.
baby.
I don't have a child.
Them all left over from.
We got lots of mesh panties. We got more popcorn.
And pajamas.
We got stethoscope. And gauze pads. We had another box of gauze pads, but Zoe, the baby, took them and ran somewhere with them. Oh, she put them back in there. I got a floppy pillow. I requested a beautiful color, so my cousin got me a unicorn flavor of the month. She got regular, I don't know, bluish sky color. Oh, she got naked 5.
It's white. What do you mean?
I said 5. She got naked baki. It's real wide. See, I didn't, maybe because I didn't realize, maybe my booty can. I'm gonna try it out later. But I just felt like I didn't see how I was gonna be able to sit on it. My booty wasn't gonna like touch the ground. We got, I don't think that's, but we got some Spanx. I think that's just for my mom. We got some batteries.
Peekaboo.
We got some curling irons. I think that's just for my mom.
She just didn't want to pay.
Right. She said it's heavy. She got some Hybrid Cleanse antiseptic skin cleansers,
I forgot the now.
medical tapes. We can just buy
Blowing
them.
up her toys.
Non-woven sponges. She got me a robe. I asked for a robe because they tell you to have one, so she got me a nice little gray robe. What?
You gonna take your nipple rings out on camera?
Why you say it to the people on camera? They don't know my life.
Oh, you can cut it.
They don't know my life.
Cut.
I was trying to do this unedited. Excuse that I don't have no rings of the nature of body parts. Then she got me a house coat like my granny wears
Where you find
because
that one?
it's pretty long too. Because you have to have something to snap into.
And we're gonna watch
Post
that, and
surgery.
then I'm gonna wear it.
And so
Yeah, we're gonna watch that and I'm gonna squeeze into it.
So this is what I have. Well, if I don't get blood all over it.
We gonna wash it and then now where's the next day?
I guess I didn't think blood was easy to come out of stuff.
I mean, you throw a little baking powder.
I'm not sure what this is, but
Those are
it's
some
something fancy because my mom liked to buy stuff in nice packaging.
The what?
Lounge shorts. See, told you.
The regular
She got
stuff.
her blood pressure monitor. I'm breaking it.
One the battery's down
Oh, I
already.
broke it for real. We got some Lounge Luxe leggings. And I really think, and she got some towels in here. And she got some protein drinks, I guess, to like replenish our body. I probably need to drink one of these in general because I just been having water for like the past.
How you know she didn't get them for her?
Because she told me. She told me.
Oh, you one piece.
She said they for us.
Three.
I know my mama. She told me.
Oh, that's the regular.
Then she got some Aloe Vesta cleansing foam. And that's it from what my mom got. Some of that was what my cousin has. She got some squirt bottles because I think they say your cheeks be swollen. You can't really spread them. So I think this is going to help us clean our booties. And
They have been washed.
poise pads. They tell you to get poise pads for compression pretty much to help you with that. I know my head is like out of focus, but I'm trying to grab everything, y'all. Sorry. Alcohol prep pads. Like 2 packs of these non-stick pads. And I think that's really it. She had some Hibiclin stuff too. And she had some Metaderma.
Maderma.
They say Metaderma.
No, it said Maderma.
I think I made it up. She got some Metaderma. I'm sleepy. I ain't gonna lie to you. So she got that. So all in all, we really got a lot of stuff that we need. I think when we go to Walmart, we might just need to get some Dow soap and
Face
some
What you getting down so for? You got the hip.
face towels, and
Right,
we
because we
need.
already at the point. I've been using Dow soap on and off. Well,
Yeah.
to do the interior part, the innermost part.
Baby, I look ratchet. But anyway, outside of me looking ratchet, out of all those products I showed y'all, like literally everything that was shown you really need. The alcohol pads, I mean, I guess you can need them, but I would say like you really don't have to get them. But the chuck pads, the urinal, the poise pads, the Hibiclins, like all of that is essential. Those wipes I showed you, the purple wipes, you guys get those because those are dedicated to pH. And so you never in underwear. You can't wear underwear. And when you pee, you just pee through a hole in your faja, and sometimes pee get on your faja. But with those purple wipes that I had showed you guys, the pH ones, those work so well. I never smell. You will never smell. I think the other pack that was blue, I used those for when you did number 2 to wipe, but I always use wet wipes. I think I only use tissue when I did number 2, and even after doing number 2 with tissue, I still use the wipes right after. So you want to get those wipes too. They are crucial. The urinal is crucial. I like the urinal that I use because it catches your pee versus the other kind that people get that's like a funnel type of urinal. And I just feel like that takes more focus. But with that urinal, you don't have to focus at all. You just pee, it catches it, and then you just pour it in the toilet and you're done. So, well, I guess I can't do this because you can't see me. So, y'all, today, maybe I get some good light right here, is August the 15th. It is 4 something in the morning. I'm pretty much prepped in my granny moo-moo to go to surgery. I wanted to do a before picture, but like time got away from me. Had a lot going on. But I figured out a way to get y'all a before and after, some kind of way. Pretty much we're getting ready to leave and head to new life in a moment. I'm just waiting. Y'all, like around my mouth probably looks trash. Like I'm so dehydrated. Like everything is just going on wrong. I'm breaking out because I was detoxing, and you know you detox, you get like pimples and stuff. But I did a twist out last night because you can't wear wigs. And it's just in a ponytail. I tried to slick a little baby hair, but who got time for that? Because when I come to after surgery, like, I'm not even gonna be thinking about my baby hair, and I'm looking in the wrong place. I apologize. Now I'm looking at y'all. But yeah, so we getting ready to go. I'm really nervous. I'm really excited. I'm gonna see whatever I can record at New Life before surgery. I don't know if they'll let my mom and them go back there with me with the doctor, but we'll see. Because if they do, then I'll let them record what they can. So, see y'all when I get to New Life. So, we are in the clinic now and we're waiting. It's kind of quiet in here, so I don't want to talk loud. It smells so good. My cousin and my mother.
Did you tell me here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I see it.
Yeah, I always do that. The office. Y'all know I ain't got steady hands, so this is the best I can do, y'all, until I get my tripod. But when I get my tripod is when I'll be like incapacitated, whatever is the right word. Y'all, I'm so ashy because I had to wash myself and not put anything on my body. And now that we inside, everything gray. Like, it's just real bad. This is real bad. I don't even want to show y'all. Huh? Y'all, tell my mama. She said she ain't had no curls yesterday. I told her she had 1,000 flips. But she said...
Now she got 1,000 and
Now she...
27.
3,000 flips. Y'all, I don't know why my mama put them 1,000 flips on her head. Side note, like, I just had to come in and talk about that. Like, mama, you did not need all them flips. She said she ain't had no curls, and she added like 50,000 more curls. You got enough. So I pretty much just got called back to the back. I had to pee in the cup for them to do me a drug test or whatever. And they gave me a gown, compression socks, and little fake shoes and my little hairnet. So I'm just sitting back here waiting. Y'all, I'm like really nervous, like and excited at the same time. Like, I don't really know. I got here at 6:30 is when I was told to get here. I didn't get called back until it was like 7:20 or so. So I waited for like almost an hour or so, but I don't care about that because my nerves was bad. Kind of helped me calm down. Got some good laughs with my mom and my cousin, so it helped me to calm my nerves. I thought I would be more on edge and panicking, but like at this moment, like I actually feel like okay. I'm actually pretty calm, pretty cool, pretty collected right now. I'm really shocked. I'm not really doing anything but chilling back here, so I will give you guys more updates once I have more information to tell you. But as of right now, I don't really have much. I thought I would get my prescriptions and stuff yesterday so that they can have them already filled, but we didn't. But my mom came through in the clutch, and pretty much she has medicine in general that she brought so that I'll have something when I get out until they can get my prescription. So that's that. When I have any other updates or when the doctor comes and talks to me and marks me up, I might try to record a little something and show my body. But until then, I thought I would be afraid and scared at this point that you're seeing me at. Like, at this point, I have changed into the gown, the compression socks, the shower cap, all that stuff. And at this point, I thought that I would have been like terrified. But you guys, I really was excited more than like fearful. But my phone charger, like, I didn't bring my phone charger. I didn't know that like I would be sitting back there for as many hours. You guys, I got called back for surgery. I went in at 6 a.m. I got called back for surgery around like 7:45. You guys, I didn't go into surgery until 1 o'clock p.m. So yeah, like 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. like 1:50. That's what it is, 1:50. So from 6 a.m. to 1:50, I've been recording this whole time. My phone was dead. So I didn't get no footage past that point, even though I was in the waiting room speaking to girls, everybody coming in saying what surgeries they're getting and getting called back to the back. So when I got marked up and met Dr. Simmons, I didn't get to show that footage because I didn't have any battery life by that point. But in the next video, I will talk more about it.